Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mr. Grimm from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a wavy line across like this. Then at each end, let's draw a small curve. Now underneath, let's add the teeth with V-shaped points. Next, let's hop up above and let's draw a curve. Then for the ends, let's curve it around the mouth and back down like this. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's hop up and draw the eyes. On top of the mouth, on the left, let's draw a curve up and then bring it down. And now let's do the same thing on the right. And now let's close off the bottom of each eye with an angled curve. And that's it for the face. Next, let's move up and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across. Now from both sides, let's curve it up and back down. Now from the ends, let's draw a long curve down and out. And then let's curve it back in, and you should end up around the same level as the mouth. Now for the ends, let's curve it down for the neck, stopping about here. Now let's move down and draw the arms. Let's start by angling it down from both sides. Then we're going to bring it straight down like this. Now let's hop in and let's draw another line down for the inside of the arm. And let's make this one a little bit shorter at the end. Now for the inside line, let's draw a small bump. And then let's draw a curve down and back up to finish the hands. And that's it for the arms. Next, let's hop in and draw the legs. From the top of the arm, let's draw a long curve down. And now let's hop inside and let's draw a skinny U shape up and back down. Now from the outer line, let's curve it down and then back in at the end. And then from the inside line, let's draw a wavy line down like this. Now at the bottom, let's add the feet. Let's draw a straight line down from the inside. Then let's curve it out from the outside line. And then underneath on the left, let's add a curve to close it off. And then for the right foot, let's draw a curve, but we're going to stop here. Then bring it in and out for the toes. And that's it for Mr. Grimm. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!